Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find our equalizer in Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. To look for equalizer, we have to go to settings first, then in sounds and vibration we have to scroll down to sound quality and effects, and our equalizer is right here. By default, of course, it's set to normal, but we can change it like always, or we can set up custom option. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.